once you have been designed, once you have been design is over, now we will start entering a content. We'll start writing a content like here slide, it is a demo like this I will say. Okay, add a subtitle by whom it has been delivered, like we can say by, okay, company name I have been given here, or team name you can give. Okay, here once you have been done with this, you can format them also. We can format by using these options. You can format the content. Okay, basic formatting like we can select. Okay, and if I like to bold it, bold. Okay, if you like to make it italic, italic, whatever the things, these are the same thing what you have been, whatever it is there in a word. Okay, underline. Okay, if you like to underline the heading. Okay, if you like to make a shadow of that particular text, you can make a shadow of that particular text. And we can change the font also here. We can change the font. We can change the font size of the font. Okay, and we can increase or decrease the font by using this particular options. Increase or decrease the font directly. Again, we can make it capital or uppercase or a lowercase. In the sense, any content it is, not only heading. I'm saying any content if you like to format in terms of their fonts, sentence case, uppercase, toggle case is nothing but, for example, you have been selected a sentence case previously. Now, if you like to change it, to reverse it, in a sense, all should, small letters should be capital, capital should be small. Then we will be using here change the case, toggle case. Okay, capitalize each word of the sentence, then we'll be using a capitalize each word. Okay, uppercase, lowercase, all in small letter. Sentence case, first letter will be in a uppercase. Okay, like this you can select the here cases. And again here we can adjust the character spacing, like between a character, if you like to loose spacing, width of your character will be increased very loose, still more. And if you tight, it will be stringent, in the sense it will be very conserved. So normal is the better one for a readability purpose. If you like to increase, you can increase to any of the things. Okay, then strike through is a center line, to draw a center line to your text is a strike through. Okay, this is about how can we format by using these options. Okay, once you have been formatted, for example, if you like to change the color of the text, you can change the color of the text by using this color text. If you like to delete all the formatting, whatever you have been done so far, whatever you have been done, you would like to delete everything, you see, you have to select this clear all formatting. Whatever you have been done so far, underline everything will be goes off, it will be original. Okay, those way, these way we can clear the format. By mistake you have been clicked this one, to go back we have to use a undo button here, undo. Okay, these are the font formatting we have been discussed. Font formatting we have been discussed. For example, if you like to add a new slide. Okay, one slide is over, next slide if you like to add, what you can do here in the new slide option. Okay, we have a different options are there. Here one is a duplicate a selected slide, whatever the slide you have selected so far, it is a first slide, you can duplicate that one. Or else you can select this slide based on a different format. Okay, you can select this slide, for example this particular slide we will select. Okay, we have been selected a slide, here new slide has been inserted. Okay, in new slide, whatever the layout if you like to change, for example I don't want, I have been inserted a new slide but I don't want this layout. Okay, I would like to have a two columns for a comparison. Then we can go to layout here, layouts, and you can select here to content like this. Okay, we can change the layout anytime. Okay, we can change the layout here like this, we can change the layout so that we can say that products, like here products, and here we can say mobile, laptop. Okay, like this we can enter the detail. Okay, like this we can, once you have been selected a new slide, here you can see new slide with the same previous which one you have been used, the same layout has been applied. You would like to change the layout, go to layout and change it to a which type of the layout you require. Blank one, you can use a blank one. You can say title only, comparison or to content, or you can say comparison with the image, or a picture with the caption. Like this we can select the type of the layout by using a layout option. Again, to get it back to our original one, reset. Okay, to get it back to a original, whichever you have been selected, this will be default one. Okay, like this we can use a, you can add a sections also here. Okay, you can add a section here. Okay, default section was that, you can say that from here onwards about us will be start. Okay, like this we can add the section, it will be help you to for a navigation purpose. Okay, this way we can utilize this slide control as well as a font controls in a PowerPoint.